Well, there's a couple ways to go here. At least you can have a denture just like this, and this is like a standardly made denture, and the implants are holding this in so that instead of just putting it in and having it kind of semi-floating, you can just snap it in like that, and it stays in there. So you can move your tongue, you can have food, you bite, you do it, it doesn't go popping up all around. This up here is a fixed bridge, semi-fixed like that, but it's at 6 holding the upper. And we, of course, get rid of the palate, which is a wonderful experience for people that have had a palate all the time, or whether it bothers them. So if you're interested in a fixed or semi-removable snap-on dentures, please make an appointment and we'll give you a free consultation as to what you need, okay?